Hello. Let us look into the importance of prefix while nomenclating a chemical compound or an organic compound. As per the general definition or meaning, a prefix is a beginning letter or group of letter which are used before a word to give a specific meaning. So likewise, while nomenclating an organic compound or while naming a chemical molecule, the same thing the prefix is doing here also. So it is very important to know while naming any chemical compound or an organic compound from its structure before selecting the key component as a prefix from the molecule. We must able to differentiate that which part of molecule is said to be prefix, which is a root word, which one is the infix, and which is the suffix. So the prefix as per the rule indicates the side chain present in that particular molecule or the substituents which are present in an organic compound. So these are the two main features to rule out the prefix in an organic compound or to rule out the prefix while naming an organic compound. So the very first one is the prefix are ultimately denotes the side chain, and the second one is the prefix which indicates or the prefix which indicates the substituents present in the molecule. So does all the substituent present in the molecule are prefixes? No, it is not so. All the substituents which are present in the molecule are not prefix. The substituent or the functional groups which are of low priority order, or if they are present in the side chain, are only be considered as prefix. This has to be determined while naming an organic compound. So as per the rule, the prefix which is used, or once the prefix is selected, it is further preceded by the root word. I will discuss what ultimately the root word is in my next video, as well as I also discuss what are the priority rule or what are the low priority functionalities which are to be considered as a prefix rather than suffix, or when a functional group is considered as a prefix and not the suffix. So I will consider all these things in my next lecture. However, we further do look into how the different substituents are ultimately be named or designate as a prefix if present in the molecule. So let us look into. So following is the tabulation of prefixes which are present as a side chain or as a substituent in an chemical entity or an organic compound. So these are the some very simple substituents, and generally we all know how to coin them as a prefix. So the very first one is the CH3. If this one is present as a side chain, or this particular molecule is present in the side chain, then it must be given a prefix as methyl. If C2H5 is present, it must be designated as ethyl. If CH2, CH3 is present, it is designated as propyl. And so further, CH3CH as a bonding, then CH3 is considered as isopropyl. Then CH2 CH3 is considered as butyl. Then CH3CH, then a bonding CH3, then CH2 considered as isobutyl. Then if X here indicates the halogen, if it must be present there, then it should be designated as halo. I here just put X as halo. However, if X is the FClBr, it should be considered as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, etc. And if OR is present, then it must be considered as alkoxy. So these all are the prominent prefixes which has to be first point out accordingly, and then should be given a suitable designation as a prefixes or as a prefix in a molecule as an or in an organic compound while naming them. Thank you.